everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a tongue cleaner to get rid of bad breath. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is one example of a tongue cleaner. I've seen them in a few different shapes, sizes, and colors, but they're all very similar. You're gonna have basically, it looks like a toothbrush handle, but at the end of it, instead of an actual toothbrush top, you're gonna get this little brushy surface that is used to clean your tongue. It's slightly different from a tongue scraper, and tongue scrapers tend to do a little bit better, but they are, not everyone likes a tongue scraper. Some people like a tongue cleaner. It all depends on your preference. Tongue scrapers are going to work similarly, but you're just going to scrape forward, whereas a tongue cleaner, you can sort of go back and forth. So I'll show you how to use it. Now, you can choose to use this either after you're done brushing your teeth, before you rinse your mouth, when there's just a little bit of extra toothpaste remaining in your mouth. You can use this then, or you can use it after you've rinsed your mouth when it's completely clean. It's kind of up to you. I usually use it while there's still a little bit of toothpaste in my mouth, right before a rinse. But for now, since I'm in my car and I didn't just brush my teeth, I'm going to be using it just like this. So, either with a little bit of toothpaste in your mouth, or with just water in your mouth, and just water, like with your mouth being moist. You want to take the side of the tongue scraper that has the bristles right there, and what you want to do is stick your tongue out and use the bristles to sort of clean your tongue, like scrub your tongue, okay? And only go as far as you feel comfortable with, basically. Because like sometimes I'm cleaning my tongue and I end up gagging because I went just a little too far back. So only go as far as you feel comfortable with. And then you're gonna rinse it. So you're gonna go like this. Stick out your tongue and clean it. Okay? And essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna get all of the debris that's on your tongue that's causing bacteria, that's causing bad breath. You're gonna loosen it up, okay? You're gonna free it up. It's gonna probably end up on the brush here, on the tongue cleaner. You're gonna rinse off the tongue cleaner with water and do it again. Okay, do it again. You probably only need to do it for about 10 to 15 seconds each session. And whenever I use it, I only need to use it twice, and then my tongue is completely clean, okay? So essentially, you wanna stop when your tongue feels clean, and more importantly, when it looks clean, okay? Now, my tongue probably isn't that clean because I just finished having a cup of coffee and a chocolate chip cookie. So, my tongue probably isn't the cleanest right now, but when I use it after I brush my teeth, it is only about 2 sessions of about 10 to 15 seconds each, and my tongue is completely clean. When you're done, rinse off the tongue cleaner, rinse out your mouth. You can even use mouthwash after that. I use mouthwash at the end in the morning, and you're good to go. That's it. That is how to clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner, how to use it for fresher breath, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.